In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen document in Photoshop, step by step. First, open Adobe Photoshop and bring in the document you want to improve. To do that, go to File, then Open, select your document image, and click Open. This gives you the file inside Photoshop so you can start making clarity adjustments. If you're working with a scanned page, a photographed receipt, or any text-based image, this process can help make the content easier to read. Before making any edits, duplicate the layer so your original image stays untouched. In the Layers panel, right-click the background layer, choose Duplicate Layer, and then click OK. This is a good habit because it lets you sharpen and adjust the document while still keeping the original version available in case you want to compare results or start over. If your document is black and white, you can optionally convert it to grayscale. Go to Image, then Mode, then grayscale, and confirm the conversion. This step is not always necessary, but for black and white documents, it can help simplify the image and make the text stand out more clearly. Next, improve the contrast to make the document more readable. Go to Image, then Adjustments, then Brightness/Contrast. Increase the contrast slider to help separate the text from the background. If needed, adjust the brightness as well so the page doesn't become too dark or too washed out. Once it looks balanced and easy to read, click OK. Now apply the main sharpening effect. Go to Filter, then Sharpen, then Smart Sharpen. A good starting range is an amount between 100 and 200%, a radius of 1 to 2 pixels, and reduce noise between 10 and 20%. Use the preview to check how the letters look. The goal here is to make the text crisper without creating harsh edges or making the document look unnatural. For additional sharpness, go to Filter, then Sharpen, then Unsharp Mask. Try settings around amount 150%, radius 1 pixel, and threshold between 0 and 5. These settings can help tighten up soft text even more. When you're satisfied with the result, click OK. After that, zoom in and inspect the text closely. Use the zoom tool to check whether the letters are clean and readable. This is an important final review, because over-sharpening can make text look jagged or noisy. Once everything looks good, save the enhanced document, go to File, then Save As. Choose the format you want, such as PDF, PNG, JPEG, or TIFF, and then click Save. And that's how to sharpen a document in Photoshop step by step.